from a movie scene to many people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
Go to DONKI to get my meal prep stuff because I wanted to shop the new outlet at Tampines. I decided to do 2 sets of meal prep. One is gonna be like a stir fry, and the second one is slightly more spicy. So we got golden curry cubes. So you just add the vegetables and the chicken in and rice, and you get a meal prep. Now I gotta prep the vegetables first before I do anything.
Into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, that was on your face. And then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time, it started racing. But moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your way towards mine.